Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So very much a sideways day, and I just want to get two levels in for us. This is the closest bit of support that you would find, and also the 150 EMA sort of lines up here. At the moment, you can see range bar and then sort of a pin bar and another pin bar forming. We are pre-market, so I wouldn't read too much into it. And as I said yesterday, it did look like it had gone parabolic, so I'd be very cautious about doing anything. We are bottom of a channel. There's our channel. So definitely don't want to be jumping in short in this area. So when we start drilling down to the 3 hour, nothing really changes. A lot of up and down, a lot of confusion here. Right on the level, which is 17,819 and 17,760. So I just round that off to 17,800. I think that's the key area to be paying attention to. Now, when we drop down to the hour, you can see yesterday's pre-market was down, and then the buyers came in, ejected off a pin bar. I'm going to put it in because it may have been a 15-minute little trade, but that was one of the levels we were watching, which was 17,926. But you can see after that rejection, we never really did anything. We just went sideways. Now, if we drop down to the 15-minute, have a look at what happened. Double top here, drop down, and then sideways again. So for me, this was a sideways day. It's not something you want to be trading. It's a range day. I would rather be looking for a break of 17,926 for a move to the upside. So I'd want to see a break and a retest of that for a move to the upside. More than likely tag. Let's just do this like that. Those are the two logical levels. First level would be 18,036 or 1800. And then somewhere around 18,100. Just move that down onto 18,100. There'll probably be structure. Yeah, there is structure there. But it also lines up with the top of the bigger channel. So for me, that's the only trade I'm looking for. I am not too excited about a short. Not over here. I prefer a short higher up. So at the moment, this to me is still a bull trend. This is a pullback in the bull trend. It's been a pretty volatile week. Oh, should I say month rather? So it's been a fairly volatile month. But if you start just looking at a bigger picture, which we'll see, I think 3 hour will be the exact. So look how far away we are on moving averages as well. So that's not something you want to be doing. You know, if it is going to short again, it should be shorting up at 18,036 or 18,100 area. That would be the most logical area to be shorting, not short down here. So from a 50-minute perspective, the only thing that I would be looking for is a break and retest of 17,926, and I'd want to see price move quite far past, come back, pin bar, inside bar, engulfing bar on the level, pretty much like it happened there and there, something like that. But then I want price to move above it on the retest. So pull back, test it, start moving above it, then it is long. And your target area is around 18,036, and then the next one would be 18,100. I definitely don't want to get suckered into shorts here. It is just going to drop below. I don't have this exact, but it's basically going to drop below the bottom of the channel. And if it drops below the bottom of the channel like that, there's only a 75% probability of it continuing. And I think we've got the strongest bit of support that we will find on this chart is right here. And you just go to the 8 hour, you'll see there was a strong area which we flirted with. This is the next logical strong area, and that's the 150 EMA right here as well. So yeah, that's kind of my view. Definitely don't want to be jumping in short, looking for a long opportunity, but we need to see the break and retest before looking at that. And it's really just a long scalp more than anything else. until we break this channel properly, where we can resume the uptrend. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.